In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to hit Display. Now scroll again to choose Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and click on Download Fonts. Now tap on this icon next to Rosemary one to download it, or click on it and choose Install at the bottom. Wherever you decided, when it's ready, go back to apply it by clicking on it on the list. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!